A nerve is simply a bundle of axons in the peripheral nervous system. So I want you to imagine you have a cluster of neurons, and each neuron has an axon. Those axons are bundled together in various layers of connective tissue, and that's what a nerve is. Simply a bundle of axons in the peripheral nervous system. So now when someone says you're getting on my nerves, or your mom says you're getting on my last nerve, you know what you're getting on. A nerve is a bundle of axons packaged in various layers of connective tissue. Here we have an axon surrounded by a myelin sheath. Each myelinated axon is then surrounded by a layer of connective tissue called an endoneurium. A group of those axons, each surrounded by an endoneurium, is packaged together and surrounded by another layer of connective tissue called a perineurium. The perineurium encloses all of those axons into a structure called a fascicle. Fascicle means a bundle of sticks, aptly named because I suppose it looks sort of like a bundle of sticks. Several fascicles are then packaged together and surrounded by an outer layer of connective tissue called an epineurium. The biggest challenge students have is keeping these terms separate. They mix them up because they each end in neurium. The only difference is the prefix. So think about what each prefix means. Endo means within. The innermost layer is the endoneurium. Peri means around, like on the periphery. The perineurium surrounds the fascicle. Epi means above or upon. The outermost layer of your skin is the epidermis. So think of the outermost layer of connective tissue as the epidermis, the outermost layer.